Two giants in the world of life insurance, one question on everyone's mind: which one truly stands out? On one side, the trusted tradition of New York life. On the other, the modern simplicity of ladder life. Let's push aside the hype and see what actually matters. We'll compare them point by point, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The winner just might surprise you. On the screen is a mind map showing what we're about to compare: price and affordability, coverage and flexibility, financial strength, user experience, policy types, and reputation. So yeah, we're leaving no stone unturned. Alright, first up, price and affordability. New York Life, honestly, this one's kind of what you expect from a big, traditional brand, right? They're solid if you want those classic permanent policies, and their dividends are no joke, but that whole life insurance. It's like not cheap, even their term rates end up a bit higher than the bargain guys. Now ladder life, this is what people are raving about. If you want a really affordable term policy with literally none of those middleman agent fees, this is for you. You can change or drop your coverage completely online anytime, which is super convenient. The catch? No permanent life insurance. Also, if you wait too long to sign up, your rates can creep up. But overall, ladder definitely wins here if you want cheap, straightforward term coverage. Now, coverage and flexibility. With New York Life, you get pretty much every option under the sun. Seriously: term, whole, universal, even variable life. Tons of ways to customize, like a child rider or accidental death coverage. Only thing is, you usually have to go through an agent, and the whole approval process, not exactly speedy. Ladder flips the script. You get term coverage up to $3 million, instant decisions for healthy folks, and their claim to fame. This whole ladder thing lets you adjust coverage as you go by yourself online. But just remember, no cash value, no permanent stuff, and not as many add-ons. Even with that though, if flexibility means online DIY, ladder's got the edge here. Let's talk financial strength, because nobody wants to invest in a company that disappears when you need them. This one's easy. New York Life is basically legendary here. They're rated a plus by AM Best, top score, unheard of track record, massive pile of assets. The only thing you could poke at, they're maybe a bit slow on adopting the latest tech. Ladder, they're new, but they've got some big backers. Still, they've never really been tested by, like, a full-on recession, and their asset base is way smaller. So yeah, New York Life easily wins the financial security contest. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that with Ladder Life you can instantly change your coverage up or down totally online? Like, no phone tag, no paperwork. That flexibility is wild if your life is always changing. User experience? Oh, this is where it gets interesting. If you like the idea of being pampered by local agents who will answer your questions and maybe even help with your paperwork, New York Life is, well, lovely. But that personal touch comes at a price: paperwork, phone calls, and waiting. Their website? How do I say this? Old school. Ladder Life, meanwhile, is what you get when you mix insurance with your favorite app. It's all online: quotes, applications, changing coverage, and for healthy people you can get covered basically instantly. Dashboard to adjust everything, and you never have to talk to anyone. If you want streamlined and hate paperwork, Ladder blows the doors off here. Alright, now policy types. This is one spot where New York Life flexes. They have every kind of life insurance you can think of: term, whole, universal, variable, even guaranteed issue if you have health challenges. It's a serious menu. Downside? Sometimes there are restrictions on age or health depending on the policy. Now ladder, straightforward play, simple term policies only, 10, 20, 30 years, that's it, no permanent or hybrid options. If you want choices, New York Life runs away with this category. Last up, reputation. New York Life? I mean, they're the oldest mutual insurer in America and everybody kind of knows them. Customer service for claims is top tier, and their history of paying dividends is really impressive. Maybe sometimes a bit too traditional, but hey, it works. Ladder? It's new, founded in 2015, but people really do love how easy it is to buy a policy. Solid Better Business Bureau rating and rave online reviews. But if we're being real, decades or centuries of paying claims just hits different. So this round goes to New York Life. Let's pause a sec and visualize how these two stack up overall. We've got a radar chart here, see how Ladder spikes in price and digital experience, and New York Life just dominates reputation, options, and stability. It's a real clash of old school and new school. So, the big takeaway, New York Life is truly for people who want lifelong security, legacy planning, or just a super custom policy they can tuck away and forget about. If you're more about getting insured in minutes at the lowest price and making changes with a click, Ladder Life is your move. It's perfect for busy, techie families whose coverage needs might shift around. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more deep dives into your financial options. We're all about cutting through jargon and making these choices open and honest.